What if I told you just 1 spoon of this white powder can turn your plant greener, stronger, and full of life again? Many plants stop growing because the soil slowly loses nutrients and harmful insects start hiding around the roots. But this simple white pepper powder trick can help wake the plant up naturally. Start by taking 1 spoon of white pepper powder. As you add it into a bowl, remember that white pepper contains natural compounds that help protect roots from tiny soil pests and fungal problems that weaken plants over time. Now mix the powder into 1 liter of water. Stir it well for a few seconds. This helps release the nutrients and protective properties evenly into the water, so every part of the soil can benefit. But here is the important step most people skip. Leave this mixture for 20 to 30 minutes before using it. During this time, the water absorbs more of the active compounds from the pepper, making the solution gentler and more effective for plants. Now pour a small amount slowly around the roots of tomatoes, chilies, cucumbers, flowering plants, indoor plants, or even small trees. Do not pour directly on the leaves. Within days, the soil starts looking healthier, roots become more active, and plants slowly regain their fresh green color and stronger growth. Use this only once every 20 to 25 days for best results. Try this simple white powder trick once and watch how quickly tired plants come back to life.